Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this 4K quality video. Well, how you can convert like a normal video to a higher quality video on this website called vmake.ai. So sign up first and you're going to select video quality enhancer. Then you're going to upload your video. Let me just find a video first. And this is the original video and this is the enhanced video after. So it does take a few seconds to load or minutes. You can drop up to 3 files at a time. Actually, you don't need to sign up, but I just prefer to sign up first. And it's just going to load. It does take a little bit of time, so just be patient. I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, so this is what the after video looks like. So this is before and this is the after. As you can see, it is way more enhanced on the right side. And to download it, you'll need 2 credits if you don't have any. I think signing up, you'll get like 5 credits, so I think you'll be able to do that. So you can either download the 5 seconds preview video, or download the full video like here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.